All right, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblocks.com. We're talking about the next few days and what we can see, and over the next week, and actually snow coming into certain areas. We'll take a look at that as we go along. First, we have the strong low pressure system in Texas. It's going to bring some severe weather and has tonight already brought some tornadoes to Texas. We have to watch across the arc of the text for the same situation. This will move to the east. We have potential severe weather in the Alabama and Mississippi area, Georgia, up to the Tennessee Valley, and this will actually push by the time you get towards Friday towards the East Coast with a low pressure developing around the Roanoke area, which could generate some shearing east of the area, which would be the Carolinas, Virginia. This would also contain rain as we get into Friday evening to Saturday as this thing moves away. Not much in the snow territories. Now, as we get across, we have a potential of more storminess by election day. And after this passes, the cold air comes in. And this is where we're going to start starting to see a potential for snow in the upper Midwest. You can see Minnesota by the 11th, potentially looking at snow. This would move into parts of Wisconsin, then even into possibly into light snow into Chicago by the 12th, and Ohio, parts of Michigan near Detroit, and then a nice nor'easter develops with interior snow in New York City, New York State, not New York City, and that would linger some lake effect to the 13th. So it's time frame we may see our first snow. And as we did our last video, we talked about how that moisture from the south could have made that happen. Now, I don't know why I just did that. I hate when things do this. That being said, we will be keeping our eye on that for you. Other than that, we'll talk to you again soon. Watch out for rain late in the week and then again for Election Day, and we'll keep an eye on other things. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching.